Right now, Korean grocery stores are facing a quiet sellout crisis. A viral TikTok with millions of views is sending everyone to the produce aisle. But it's not a trendy new snack. It's a centuries-old winter staple called bomdong. Despite its name meaning spring, it thrives in the bitter cold. This 10-minute, 100% plant-based bibimbap is currently rocking the global vegan community, and here's why it's anything but ordinary. It all started with the legendary Korean show, 2 Days and 1 Night. A famous host, Kang Ho-dong, known for his massive appetite, mixed a giant bowl of greens and rice on camera, sparking a nationwide craze. Hilariously, he was actually eating regular cabbage, but the name bomdong bibimbap stuck as a meme. Fast forward to today, and that clip is blowing up again on TikTok. It's the perfect storm of Gen Z's love for hip traditions and the global vegan trend. The best part? It's fully customizable. Level 1 is pure vegan. Just rice, bomdong, gochujang, and sesame oil. Level 2 adds a sunny-side-up egg for protein. Level 3 goes flexitarian with canned tuna or beef. Whatever your style, the core remains a plant-based powerhouse. Now, let's look at why this veggie is scientifically special. As a food scientist, I find bomdong fascinating. It's not a special breed. It's actually regular cabbage grown in open winter fields. To survive sub-zero temperatures, the plant activates a defense mechanism. It converts starch into soluble sugars and amino acids. Essentially, it creates its own natural antifreeze. This is why bomdong is significantly sweeter and crunchier than standard cabbage. Scientifically, its flat, spread-out leaves maximize sunlight absorption, leading to intense photosynthesis. This results in much higher levels of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and calcium. When you mix it with gochujang and sesame oil, magic happens. The capsaicin in the chili paste boosts metabolism, while the healthy fats in sesame oil help your body absorb those fat-soluble vitamins. It's a nutrient powerhouse that proves vegan meals can be scientifically complete. Can't find bomdong near you? Don't worry. Your best bet is baby bok choy. It nails that signature sweet yet bitter crunch. Tatsoi is another fantastic lookalike. You can also mix Savoy cabbage with romaine for a similar texture. For the sauce, many stores like Trader Joe's now carry gochujang. If you're stuck, whisk together sriracha, white miso, and maple syrup for a stellar vegan bibimbap sauce. And don't forget toasted sesame oil, which you can find in almost any international aisle. As you've seen, even the simplest Korean dishes are packed with fascinating science. On this channel, we dive deep into the hidden stories of K-food through a scientific lens every week. Don't miss our next episode. Like and subscribe to keep the stories coming.